March 2025 is bringing us an exciting lineup of K-dramas, romance, comedy, slice of life, and even high-stakes thrillers. From Chamas, this month has something for everyone. Stick around as we break down the most anticipated upcoming K-dramas you won't want to miss. 8. Love Wave. Get ready for some classic gender-bending fun in Love Wave. Song Soo-yi plays the daughter of a conglomerate who runs away from an arranged marriage, disguising herself as a man and starting a new life at a surf shop. Woo Jin-kyung plays the gruff but charming surf shop owner who takes her under his wing, unaware of her true identity. As their bickering turns into something more, romantic confusion ensues. With beach vibes and hilarious misunderstandings, Love Wave promises a refreshing rom-com experience. 7. Villain's Country. Looking for laughs? Villain's Country delivers. This KBS2 family comedy follows middle-aged sisters and their eccentric family living under one roof. Ona Ra plays a former glamorous flight attendant now juggling family responsibilities, while Park Young-kyu portrays her father, a former artist turned mischievous senior. Expect hilarious misunderstandings, heartwarming moments, and relatable life experiences in this 32-episode sitcom. 6. Riding Life. Riding Life offers a deeply personal and emotionally resonant story. This slice of life drama explores the complex relationship between a mother and daughter. Jun Hae-jin plays a daughter burdened by her mother's single parenthood, now struggling with her own career, marriage, and motherhood. Jun Seok-ho portrays the mother, an art therapist who has found peace with her past. When their paths cross, old resentments resurface, testing their bond. A chance encounter on a road trip adds a new dimension to their lives. Prepare for touching performances and realistic family struggles. 5. The Art of Negotiation. Power struggles and corporate battles take center stage in The Art of Negotiation. Lee Jae-hoon stars as a legendary negotiator, the best in his field. He leads a skilled team including Song Dong-il and Kim Dae-myung navigating mergers, acquisitions, and saving failing businesses. This 12-episode JTBC drama delves into office dynamics, co-worker relationships, and even a touch of romance. Expect a compelling boss-employee dynamic, rivalries, and betrayals. Fans of Misang, Money Game, and Chief Kim will be hooked. 4. Hyperknife. Prepare for a gripping medical thriller. Hyperknife plunges into the high-stakes world of neurosurgery and illegal practices. Sol Kyung-ji plays a brilliant neurosurgeon upholding ethical standards, while Park Yoon-bin portrays a gifted surgeon forced into the underground, performing risky procedures for powerful figures. Their paths collide, igniting tension in a battle of medical ethics. As they navigate dangerous cases and conspiracies, their relationship evolves amidst moral dilemmas and lurking enemies. Will they survive? Get ready for adrenaline-pumping surgeries and a gripping storyline in this highly anticipated 2025 drama. 3. Divorce Insurance. If you love office rom-coms with a slice of life touch, then Divorce Insurance is for you. Starring Lee Dong-wook, Lee Kwang-soo, and Lee Da-hee, this drama follows a handsome and stylish male lead who, after 3 divorces, becomes an expert in love, marriage, and, well, divorce. Now working at an insurance company that specializes in divorce policies, he's about to face some ironic situations, especially when romance comes knocking at his door. With witty humor, workplace drama, and heartfelt moments, this TVN drama is definitely one to add to your watch list. 2. When Life Gives You Tangerines. Next, we have one of the most anticipated dramas of 2025, starring Park Bo-gum and Yoo in a historical romance that will melt your heart. Set in the 1950s, our soft-spoken male lead falls deeply in love with a bright and passionate poet who comes from humble beginnings. IU's character expresses her emotions through poetry and her unwavering determination to chase her dreams. Meanwhile, Park Bo-gum's character, though not the most romantic at first, is devoted and protective, giving us all the feels. And guess what? There's a time skip. Later in life, their older versions will be played by Moon So-ri and Park Hee-jun, adding even more emotional depth. Catch this drama on Netflix when it airs. 1. Potato Lab Aka Potato Research Center. First up, we're talking about Potato Lab. Yes, you heard that right, an entire drama set in a potato research facility. In this unique romance, a passionate potato researcher and the newly appointed director find themselves tangled in a web of science, bickering, and maybe even love. Our female lead, played by Lee Soon-bin, is a bit chaotic but deeply dedicated to her work. Meanwhile, our male lead, played by Kang Tae-ho, is all about business, charming but sharp-tongued. As they work on a mysterious secret project known as Migyeong, the tension builds, leading to heartwarming moments and unexpected romance. If you love office romances with a twist of comedy, this drama is definitely one to watch. And that's a wrap on the must-watch K-dramas of March 2025. Which ones are making it onto your watch list? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest K-dramas. See you in the next video, K-drama lovers.